Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into a detailed guide on how to use Zoho Project for your manufacturing process management. Let's get started. The first step is to set up your Zoho project. This is where you'll input all the details of your manufacturing process so you can track and manage everything from one place. You'll need to name your project, define the start and end dates, and describe the project. The reason we do this is to have a clear overview of your process, and it's essential for effective management. Next up, you'll want to create your tasks. This is the heart of your project. You'll list each step of your manufacturing process as a separate task. For example, you might have tasks for sourcing materials, production, quality control, and shipping. These tasks help you break down your project into manageable parts and ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. Now that we've done that, let's move on to assigning these tasks. You can assign each task to a specific team member or department. This helps us because it gives everyone a clear understanding of their responsibilities. Let me explain why this matters. By assigning tasks, you can ensure accountability, and everyone in your team knows exactly what they need to do. The next step is tracking progress. Zoho Project has a feature called the Gantt chart, which visually represents your project timeline. You can track the status of each task, see who's responsible for what, and identify any bottlenecks. This is crucial because it enables you to keep an eye on your project and make sure it's on track. Finally, you'll want to use the timesheets in Zoho Project. Your team members can log their hours worked on each task. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By using timesheets, you can analyze the time spent on each task, identify any areas of inefficiency, and make informed decisions to improve your process. In conclusion, Zoho Project is a powerful tool for managing your manufacturing process. By setting up your project, creating and assigning tasks, tracking progress, and using timesheets, you can effectively manage and improve your manufacturing process. That's it for today's guide on using Zoho Project for manufacturing process management. Thank you for joining us, and look forward to seeing you in our next video.